Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Astronomer Ptolemy. The Greek astronomer Ptolemy, c. 9168 AD, used measurements of the sky to create his geocentric model. This had the Earth at the center and all the planets and the Sun orbiting around it. 8 August 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The first big problem with the geocentric model was the retrograde motion of planets like Mars. His model has the planets moving around the Sun in circular orbits. This can explain retrograde motion, but his model doesn't fit all the planetary position data that well. 14 April 2014.
Make your mark, take our lead.
5 answers. Ptolemy epicyclic, geocentric model, in use until the Renaissance, was very accurate in terms of predicting the positions of planets and the times of eclipses. However, the advent of Kepler's laws and subsequent explanation by Newton rendered the geocentric model obsolete. 17 September 2020.
Take our lead.
The Ptolemaic system was a geocentric system that postulated that the apparently irregular paths of the Sun, Moon, and planets were actually a combination of several regular circular motions seen in perspective from a stationary Earth.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.